we all made a killing. Came home at a struggle with it, now I spend $1 million. Going hard for the children, tell the God just.
Woo! We back in with a Touge video, nigga. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. So hyped, so hyped. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Slurry, and you fucking see the title of the video. Little Touge video for y'all, and we finna go crazy today, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit about to be valid for real. I just gotta set all this shit up. Put this in the back. Fuck. I just fucked up the angle. There we go. Alright, you ready, gang? A little wet right here. Ah! But what's good though, y'all? It's your boy Slurry back at it with another video. The long awaited video. I know I've been slacking on the content recently, but honestly it's just because it's been cold and shit, and I haven't really had anything to record because it's cold. I'm not buying more car parts for the Z until like springtime, so definitely stay tuned for around spring and summertime because this shit's about to go crazy. I promise y'all, the Z is gonna be like one of the sexiest 370Zs out there. I promise y'all that. Like, this is gonna look so good, and I'm so excited for everything. Everything's just slowly falling into place, and I love it, bro. I love my journey. I love the process. So yeah, hope y'all do enjoy this video because it's about to be a banger. I already know it. I recorded this video like a few months back, but I didn't like the way it came out. It came out pretty shit. So hopefully, or in today, we probably gonna get a way better video. I know the roads are a little cold and a little wet, so I can't like do 100% because my tires might not stick to the road, but let's get this bitch going. That echo. You seen that? I got little fangirls. Once we get the straightaway, I can gas it. Make sure it's clear. Don't want to do none of that. And Hello, biker. Hello. Kiss your booties. No, motherfucker. I can't cut him because there's too many other cars in front. Too many cars. No! Motherfuckers! It's all good though, it's all good. I know not everybody's trying to be a speed racer, and I respect that.
On the side?
Nah, it's all good. Like where though? Like, oh, you mean like coming up?
The little rest areas.
Yeah, facts. I'll do some pops for y'all. Nah, there's cars coming.
Yeah.
It's just too sketch.
And then that van is going too slow for them.
Yeah, like you see that blind corner, it's too sketchy. That blind corner, it's too sketchy.
Black corner?
Blind corner.
Oh yeah. I was saying on the downhill.
We finna go back the other way and get y'all with a part 2. It's just cause people was in our way and shit, you feel me? What the hell you doing? That shit was nice. Yo, you hear the echo when I come through like the little things? I got a piece so bad. Yeah, I might do the same. All right, we gotta take a piss break. Hold up, catch y'all in a little bit. Wearing my favorite hoodie, y'all. I fucking love that sound, bruh. I got some fans. What's up, baby? What's up? Oh, fuck. I love this car, bro. This shit is so much fun. There's too many cars now. I can't get in front of all of them. Why he braking, bro? Like, why you scared for him, my nigga? Bro. Bro, I don't even know where my friend went. He's not even, he's like that ass all the way back there, bro. God, I love this car so much. Make sure y'all taking care of y'all cars, bro. Do y'all maintenance on time. Make sure you got good tires, all that good stuff. Maintenance before mods. Mods come after. As long as you got a good running healthy motor, your shit will last for eternity, bro. Do your oil changes on time, do all your fluid changes on time, transmission fluid, all that. And your car will last forever, bro. Replace all your gaskets. All that comes before mods. Some people just be getting a car and then they don't be doing any of the maintenance. They just do all performance mods, like right away. And then they fucking, their car end up blown motor, bro. So make sure you're doing all your maintenance mods first, bro. Maintenance, and then you can have fun. Oh shit, where's this nigga at? What the fuck? He's all the way back there. I don't even see him. this is pretty much coming towards the end of the video. I hope y'all did enjoy me ripping it through the Touge a little bit. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. And I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace. Love y'all. Be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe.